Hello everybody, this is a little bit of an educational video, so I figured I'd just upload it on my normal channel, like people do. And this is for the Adopt an Element project that we're doing in chemistry, and each of us chose an element, and we're going to be doing a little bit of research about it. And in my case, I chose helium. So helium is a bit of a unique element. The atoms of helium have 2 protons, 2 neutrons, and 2 electrons in their naturally occurring state. Helium is a noble gas, which means it doesn't want to add or lose any electrons. But the thing about helium is that even among the noble gases, it's a bit strange. Helium only has 2 electrons because it has 1 sublevel, which means it has 1 orbital, which means it can only have 2 electrons in its s orbital. The rest of the noble gases can have 8 because they have p orbitals, but helium doesn't have that luxury, so it's comfortable just having 2 electrons. The current going rate of helium is $3.43 for 1 cubic meter of domestic use. It's classified as a non-metal, and as previously mentioned, it belongs to the noble gas family. It was discovered in 1868 by Jules César Janssen, and it stems from the Greek word helios, meaning sun, because it was detected during an eclipse by using a spectrometer. Here are some fun and interesting facts about helium. Approximately 10% of all the matter in the universe is helium, making it the second most common element behind hydrogen, which consumes 90% of the known universe. Helium has the lowest melting point of any element, nearly absolute zero, which permits it to be used easily in cryogenic research. Of all the liquids, helium is the only one which cannot be solidified by decreasing the temperature. Only when the pressure is increased will this happen. An isotope of helium, known as liquid helium-4II, expands when it cools. Its conductivity for heat is enormous, and its heat conduction and viscosity do not behave like many other elements. Helium's lack of reactivity means it is good for nuclear reactor cooling, inert gas shields for arc welding, and flotation gas for dirigibles. Helium is obtained from natural gas and oil wells, where it rises to the surface from deep inside the Earth, where uranium and thorium undergo radioactive decay, which also provides the planet's internal heat. This also means that the world is slowly running out of helium. Hopefully you found that interesting. If you'd like to see where the visuals come from, check out Theodore Gray's websites, including theperiodictable.com, and check out all of his animations of his elements and his actual periodic table. Thanks for watching, everybody, and I hope you learned something. Bird out.
But they haven't been discovered.